The operation to seize Stepppnagorsk marked the collapse of one of the most important fortified strongholds in western Zaporizhia, as soldiers of the 247th Guards Air Assault Regiment of the 7th Division within the Dnieper Group transformed a long static sector into a decisive breakthrough zone. After securing a foothold around Kamenskoye and Plavny, the troops advanced slowly yet precisely, exploiting terrain folds and harsh weather conditions, fog and snowfall, to conceal their movement, while aerial reconnaissance exposed enemy firing positions and UAV control points that were immediately suppressed by artillery, systematically weakening the defense. Upon entering the urban area, airborne units attacked from multiple directions, clearing buildings one by one, including through decisive close-quarters methods such as small assault teams infiltrating and directly emplacing TM explosives inside enemy-held structures, with supporting forces providing tight security to ensure resistance collapse from within. Thermal detection support ensured no hiding place remained concealed, and the operation culminated with Russian and VDV flags raised atop high-rise buildings, confirming that Stepppnagorsk had fully fallen under airborne control. In the Orakov direction, a highly coordinated combat operation demonstrated how armored power and aerial reconnaissance merge into a single effective destruction system, as tank crews from the 1,430th Guards Regiment of the 58th Army within the Dnieper Group moved calmly yet lethally to pressure enemy defensive lines. With calculated precision, the tanks struck fortified positions, breaking structures that had long served as the backbone of the enemy's defense in this sector. Every shot was deliberate, guided by real-time fire correction from drone teams that locked onto target coordinates and ensured maximum accuracy with each strike hitting critical points. This synergy between tank crews and UAV operators reflects the reality of modern warfare, where battlefield dominance is achieved not by firepower alone, but by information control, disciplined execution, and the systematic destruction of enemy defenses until their initiative gradually but decisively collapses. As battlefield pressure continued to intensify across multiple sectors, the next phase was executed through a more destructive approach aimed at directly breaking the enemy's key defensive anchors. In the Krasnoarmeysk direction, crews of the heavy TOS-2 Tazotchka system carried out a planned Thermbaric strike against a critical enemy position, turning what had once been a hardened strongpoint into a disabled zone within moments. This was not merely a display of raw destructive power, but part of a systematic effort to shatter defensive stability and eliminate the ability to hold ground in a vital sector, as waves of extreme heat and pressure swept through the target area. All of this combat experience was then translated onto a broader scale, not only on real battlefields, but also within strategic exercises designed to prepare for modern conflict. During Zapad 2025, the armed forces of Belarus and Russia simulated mobile defense under multi-domain pressure, as tactical air defense units and manpads teams repelled mock air attacks and eliminated high-speed UAVs amid complex electronic interference. Aerial reconnaissance formed the backbone of operations, with SuperCam and S-350 UAVs detecting concealed targets and transmitting real-time data to command posts for fire adjustment. On the ground, T-72B3M and T-80BVM tanks destroyed mock enemy forward positions from closed firing points using carousel tactics, supported by highly mobile 120mm mortars operating as roving firepower, until Mi-35 attack helicopters entered to provide direct air support, demonstrating full integration of drones, armor, artillery, and air assets within a dynamic defensive system. Taken together, this sequence underscores that modern warfare is defined by integrated force employment, information dominance, and precision execution. From real combat operations to large-scale strategic exercises, cross-unit coordination remains the decisive factor in suppressing, neutralizing, and systematically controlling the battlefield. As always, thank you for watching and exploring the extraordinary stories from the world of military operations, strategic maneuvers, and cutting-edge technology. We hope this deep dive has offered valuable insight into the evolving nature of modern warfare and the technology shaping its future.